Copy and paste are incredible tools, and most people use them to copy and paste text. But did you know you can copy and paste images, files, links, and more? Rod here. Welcome to Burn to Learn. In this video, you will learn 3 different ways to use these tools. First, using shortcuts. Second, right-clicking your mouse. And third, using the Copy to Clipboard button. As we get started, take a second to subscribe to our channel by clicking here, and give us a like by clicking here. And check out our techie t-shirts by clicking on the link in the description below. First, using shortcuts. Suppose you're writing a document and you want to include something you wrote somewhere else. First, select the word, sentence, or paragraph from what you wrote somewhere else. To copy it, hit Ctrl+C if you're using Windows, or Command+C if you're using Mac. Then choose wherever you want to paste it in your document. Now just hit Ctrl+V in Windows or Command+V in Mac. Great! Now you know how to use shortcuts. Second, right-clicking your mouse. Now let's see how to do the same thing but with your mouse. Imagine you are writing a post and want to include an image on it. Let's choose one free image on Google. Right-click on the image to produce a menu. Now click on Copy Image on the menu, and the image will be copied on your clipboard. Now return to your post and right-click again, and select Paste. You will now see your image in your article. Very useful, right? And third, Copy to Clipboard button. Some websites include a Copy to Clipboard button. For example, the Google Translate app includes one you can use to copy and then paste translated text. Another example can be found in YouTube. When you want to share a video link, first click the Share button and a Copy button appears. To paste the link, you can use the shortcut and a right-click on your mouse as explained earlier. Finally, there is a Copy to Clipboard button in Google Maps, which is revealed once you click the Share button. The Copy to Clipboard button will enable you to copy the web page plus any other information you may want, such as address and phone number. The Copy to Clipboard button is only included in some websites and applications, so make sure you take advantage of this handy tool. So now that you know how to copy and paste, make sure to check out our Google Drive tutorial. And subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a like and leave a comment down below. We would love to hear your thoughts. This was Rod from Burn to Learn. Thanks for watching.